Hello. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Rothenberger 3-in-1 gas soldering iron. Now, I'm no expert in soldering, so I can only sort of say what I can see, but yeah, it could be a handy little tool when you haven't got electric available, I suppose. Yeah, it's nice in the hand. It's light. We've got an on-off switch here, and 1:4 setting for the flame size. I would imagine that changes the heat of the soldering iron too. Smaller flame, less heat, isn't it? It fills up with butane from the rear. Comes with 1, 2, 3 and one already attached, 4 soldering tips of different sizes, a length of soldering, and a little sponge for cleaning the tip with. According to the manual, if I turn a page here, the flame temperatures here, it's got the gas torch at 1300 degrees centigrade, hot air at 600 degrees centigrade, and soldering at 450 degrees centigrade. But then again, like I say, if you change the size of the flame, surely the temperature is going to be different, isn't it? So it's just telling you how to fill it and attach the different tips. So yeah, as it is like that, that's a gas torch. It's not very, I'll light it in a moment. It's only a little flame, but I suppose there's little jobs that you could use that with. You take this other piece out, and that just screws on there like that. And if we unscrew the tip that's in it, that will be the hot air. You've got your flame working away in here and hot air. Screw on the soldering tip, and you're good to go, aren't you? To light it, it hasn't got an automatic lighter on this, so you've got to use a flame. What you do, you slide this forward, it's on a spring, and the flame gets lit in there. Then once you've got a steady flame, you let it back down, and it heats up pretty quickly actually. Again, adjusting it by this. So yeah, let me light it up, and we'll go from there. Right then, let's light this soldering iron. We turn the gas on, slide this little sleeve forward, slide it back slowly. You can see it going red. Don't know if it shows on the camera. Let's turn the heat up a little bit. The flame. Number 2. Yeah, you can definitely see it glowing inside there now. Don't know if it's showing. It's also got a little stand here. Stops you burning the surface. But just be aware that there's hot air blowing out from these vents on the side, so you don't be putting anything too close to that. Okay, that should be warmed up now. Let's try it on a little piece of wire, see how we get on. Okay, alright, like I said before, I'm no expert, so my soldering's not that good, but let's see how we go. So that's got it. Let's turn that off for a moment. Let's have a look. So that's my effort on soldering the wire. See if I can get it closer so you can see. Solder has flowed through the strands of the wire, so it's a good connection. Well, it is for me anyway. How close can you get with that? Can you see? Yeah, I'm pleased with that. If we slide a little bit of heat shrink over that, we can use the hot air to shrink it on. Let's just try it. Oh yeah, that works pretty well, doesn't it? Yeah, quite impressed with that. So that's another good use for it. See if I can show you the gas flame. We turn it on. See, I don't know if this shows. Yeah, I think you can see that. But you can adjust the size of the flame with this. Yeah, it does make a difference. There we have it. The Rothenberger 3-in-1 gas soldering iron. Ideal if you've got no electricity outlet and you need to do a bit of soldering. This will do the job. Not sure how long the gas lasts, because I can't see how big the reservoir is in here. Can't even hear it slosh about, but so like I say, if you've got a little canister of gas with you, there's no big deal. You can just top it back up again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.